Gyms. Now I don't think they're gyms.
What?
They're not gyms. They're fitness facilities. I can go into one of these gyms where I don't know, they have these gyms in England where you pay 15, 20 pounds a month.
Yeah.
It's nothing. And they have 30 treadmills, they have tons of cardio, they have everything. But the people in there don't look like they even go to the gym.
Yeah, that's true.
Because it's a sterile environment. They don't encourage you, hey, shh, don't make a noise. Don't sweat on the floor. It's like a clinic. A gym should be a place where you can lift, and if you lift weights and you push yourself, you're going to scream.
Yeah.
You're going to shout. It's going to be noisy. That's the way it is. People now, they don't like hard work. They want to have the result, but they don't want to take the journey. And it's the journey which makes you, not the result.